morning everyone. We are from Daughters of India BBB 2025. Today's topic is waste water cleaning a supplying system. Water is very important for our life. I want that there are some places in our country there also is no water for drinking and women have to walk many kilometers for fresh water. So we have built a water tank so that people of thousands of villages can get drinking water at home. So we connect a pipeline to the river with the underground area. With the help of pipeline, water comes to the waste water filtration is supplying home. Here unfiltered water is filtered. First layer of rock, second is sand, third is charcoal, fourth is fine sand, and fifth is cloth. Then filtered water comes with this pipeline to the tap. Then we will see the dirty water has become clean and that water has become drinkable. Water is useful for everything for us. Thank you.